Hi.
Hi.
Well, today I was at the store and we picked up some extreme sour warheads. I have a lemon one.
I have black cherry and it's artificially flavored hard candy.
So is mine.
Yeah, and we're gonna suck on it.
And we're gonna like it.
And so are you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna put them in our mouth now. That was technical. I got it.
Okay, I got it. And they look like this. Okay. Yeah. It's kind of sour. Oh.
Not that bad.
Are
these tasting good?
My tongue's all tingling. Oh my god,
It's like,
too.
It's not that bad now.
It's not sweet.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, if you think you're so smart and you can do this, you can try 7.
Alright. Bye. Wait, we have 2.
Yeah, 2.
Alright, bye.
Bye.